Hi, everybody. This is Chris from QSC, and we are at the 2023 DJX show with DJ NTV, talking to you about the all-new L-Class line array system. We have two new products in this lineup. We have an 8-inch two-way box with single compression driver and a 12-inch two-way box with dual compression driver. Now, the biggest differences from something you may be familiar with as our KLA line is that we've updated the rigging hardware. If you come over here, follow me this direction, I can show you how the rigging hardware works. This system is completely simplified from the standpoint of not needing any tools, external hardware. All you have to do to change an angle is press the paddles on the side and move it to the next angle. I did that one-handed. I usually don't do that one-handed, so that's pretty simple. Compact the box all the way down, unlock it on each side, and simply lift it and pull it backwards to remove it. To add it back to the system, if you're deploying it, you do the exact opposite to put the boxes together, push the paddles, and lift to change your angles. So that whole system, rapid deploy with patent pending on it, is unique to QSC and is a brand new design that's going to revolutionize the line array industry. In addition to that, we have included our QSC Aware technology, and Aware uses infrared to communicate wirelessly from box to box to tell the system how many boxes are in the rig, and with a single button push, tune the system. If you come in here, you'll see that I've got an orange status here because it thinks that as this one's booting up, there's only 3 boxes in the array. But as it boots up, I can press and hold the system for 3 seconds, and it's going to flash green and make sure that I've got the correct voicing for the line array. So I don't need to know anything about how to voice a line array. The system does it for you without having to worry about how to EQ or tune the system. In addition to that, we have a companion subwoofer, the LS118. The LS118 is acoustically the same as the KS118 sub, but it has the network ports on the back of it, just like our L-Class boxes do for System Navigator remote control, and of course, Dante connectivity. So this is the new L-Class. You can check it out at our website at qsc.com for more information. And thanks. We'll see you next time.